Good morning, everyone. Feb 4th, World Cancer Day. WHO has marked this day to create awareness regarding cancer in world population. Cervical cancer and breast cancer are two cancers which are number 1 and number 2 in Indian females. And unfortunately, sadly, these two cancers are the one which are highly preventable, but death due to these cancers are maximum in our population. Why is this so? There is lack of knowledge regarding these cancers, lack of screening tests done by Indian women, and also lack of facilities available to do these tests for our women. So what are the screening tests recommended for cervical cancer? We recommend Pap test to be done from the age of 25 years, can be repeated every 2 to 3 years up to the age of 65. HPV DNA test is another test which can be done from the age of 30 years, repeated every 5 years up to age of 65 to 70 years. If both the tests can be done by the women, then it can be repeated at the interval of 5 years. What are the screening tests recommended for breast cancer? Self-breast examination is what we recommend for every girl from the age of 20 years. So every month she examines her breast at 7th or 8th day of her menstrual cycle, and she palpates if any lump is felt in the breast or in the axilla. Look for any discharge per nipple, especially a bloody discharge. Look for any kind of lesion or an retraction of nipple, or any kind of distortion in the size and shape of the breast to be examined. Then we recommend clinical breast examination of all women from the age of 40 years. So every year she goes to a clinician, it could be a family physician or a gynecologist, and get her breast examined. Then we recommend bilateral mammogram from the age of 45 to be done up to her lifetime. So these two simple tests, HPV DNA test and bilateral mammogram, can detect cancers in their early stage or even before it is appreciated clinically. So these two simple tests can save millions of lives, and also the treatment will be simple, inexpensive, and psychologically better for women when treated in early stage. So all women, please take care of your health, do the screening tests according to your age, and then be aware of the signs and symptoms of breast cancer and cervical cancer, which are highly preventable. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.